how to add photos to Amazon Photos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add photos to your Amazon Photos application. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed this application. So once you successfully download the application, just open the application just like this. So if you are also opening the application for the first time, you may have to set up few things, that is allow different notifications options as well as your storage and photos options. So I'll just click on allow this and allow access to all of your photos. So if you only want to upload a few photos, I'll just click on select few photos and videos. And once you do that, you can also click on enable or disable this auto save button over here and just click on next and click on next, and you can also keep the current permission over here. So once you do that, just click on this smile button at the top left corner. So once you're inside here, just tap on this settings gear icon at the top right corner and you can click on this upload photos manually option over here. And based on your storage option which you have allowed previously, you can also manage it from over here to allow more than two photos. Since I've only allowed two photos to be over here, I'll just click on any of the photos and click on upload, and your photos will be successfully uploaded just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.